This 2021 Jayco Seismic 4212 Side Patio Double Slide, up to 11 feet 8 inches cargo is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Jayco is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 7, slideout, air conditioning, skylight, external shower, self-contained, auxiliary battery, and 112 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco Seismic 4212 Side Patio Double Slide, up to 11 feet 8 inches cargo is 15,725 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.